To register as an instructor on BOGI e-learning, first, go to www.britishhook.org. Then, click on e-learning from the menu bar. Scroll to the bottom and click on Lecturer Sign Up. Fill in all the necessary details, name, username, email, and password, then submit the registration. Once submitted, your account will be created, and you'll need to wait for admin approval, which typically takes between 20 minutes to 24 hours. If your account isn't verified within this time frame, please send an email to info@britishhook.org. Upon approval, you'll receive a welcome message. Click on Go to Dashboard to be redirected to the home page. From the menu bar, click on Dashboard, input your login credentials, and sign in. Next, complete your user profile by setting both a profile picture and profile banner. Congratulations, your profile setup is complete. Now, proceed to watch the next video tutorial on initiating the publication of courses, lessons, assignments, and establishing live classes for your students.